Welcome, in front of me is Metal Gear Solid Delta Snake Eater, and in this video I will show you how to change maximum frame rates in this game. To do that, you have to go to options either from the start of the game, or if you are in the game already, then press escape and select options. Then in options go to graphics, and in graphics you have to scroll down to maximum frame rates, and then change the value here to the one that you feel most comfortable with. You can switch between 30 and 60 frame rates. To apply changes, just press the right key of your mouse or escape to go back, then the changes will be applied automatically once you exit this menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.